Sorry for all the background noise. I am working in a parking structure downtown Salt Lake. Here is a rock chip right here. Hopefully you can see that. I'll be fixing just small. I will be starting out by drilling it. Just kind of tap that, and then that allows the resin to kind of connects whatever together. You don't always have to do it. On some repairs you do, some repairs you don't. At Cracks and Chips, we provide simple, affordable, and convenient rock chip repair at your location of choice in the Salt Lake City area. Sometimes I forget I don't need my shade. I'm in a parking structure. Just a few drops of resin. Do a vacuum on it. Just make sure it's all going in. It looks good. So if you want to do the rock chip repair at home, remember you get one chance at it. There's not, like, I can't redo it if you try to fill it yourself. Whether it's me or any other auto glass shop, we're not going to be able to fix your mistake. So I always highly recommend getting everything done professionally. Alrighty, so now it's just time to cure it. I'm gonna put my little cure lamp over the top. It's gonna cure it. It's gonna take about a minute. All right, should be cured up by now. Release, remove the tool. Repair turned out really nice. Just put a little cure tab over it, and that just fills in that little divot where the rock hits and where I drilled into it. Put the cure lamp back on it. It'll take a couple seconds for it to cure. All right, next step, just scrape it smooth. Make sure you have a stainless steel razor blade. That scrapes it nice and smooth, so everything's all good. Sometimes I polish them. This one's I really don't polish because the impact is really so small. All right, let's clean this all up. Cut wood. All right, so I'm all done. Here's your end result right here. It's right there. Just kind of a little, looks gonna look like just like a little bug from the inside. I do guarantee all my work for life. So if you have any questions, concerns, problems with your repair, you can always reach out to me. Again, my name is Brent. I'm the owner of Cracks and Chips Windshield Repair right here in Salt Lake City. You may see our car driving around town. But other than that, thank you so much and have a great day.